What's up guys, welcome back to another video. This is Rob Tech Help here. Today I'm bringing you an unboxing video for the Anker Soundcore Live Q20 hybrid active noise cancellation headphones. Now these headphones guys are not going to be 100% noise cancellation, but they will provide you up to 90% noise cancellation, which is why they're hybrid, because they're not 100% noise cancellation. Now these are actually on the market at the time of this video for $51.99, $51.99, sorry, and they come in this box here. And to be honest, for the price, I believe that these are sort of, let's just say, about half price what I'm guessing the sort of the high end noise cancellation headphones would be. But I'm very eager to try these out because they have amazing reviews on Amazon, and a lot of reviews, more than 10k reviews on Amazon as well, and I think it's got about 4.5 or 5 star on Amazon, which is really good. So I'm very eager to get into this unboxing video for you guys. And I know Anker make quite a lot of good materials, good electronics as well. But what I'm expecting to see in this box, to be honest, what is supposed to be in this box is your headphones. You got a micro USB cable, a 3.5mm aux cable, a travel pouch, and a user manual. So without further ado guys, let's get right into the unboxing. Okay, so we've got this bag around it that we can probably just rip apart at this point. Put that aside. Okay, so what do we have on the box? We got high res sound quality. So this just means that they've designed these headphones to be able to, so that the user can sort of hear what the music is really and truly supposed to sound like. I guess the instruments as well, what they're supposed to sound like. They've also got hybrid noise cancellation, as we said, as we spoke about before, which we will get into. It's got a bass up technology, so I'm expecting the bass to be pretty good on these headphones. You've got 40 hours wireless playtime if you put it on active noise cancellation for most of the time, and on I think 60% volume or something like that, I believe. But if you do put it on standard, you can standard noise, you will be able to get, I believe, 60 hours of playtime on this wirelessly. It's also got the extra soft ear cups. It's foldable, and it's got an aux mode as well, so you can put in your auxiliary cable whenever you've run out of battery, or if you do run out of battery, you haven't charged it, you forgot to charge it. If you got your aux cable, that can save you as well. So let's get right into it. Let's open this up. Okay guys, here we go. Wow, interesting. So I'm guessing this is the pouch, the travel pouch for it, so you can put it inside this when you're going out. And if you turn it around, you can take a look at these headphones. Hope you guys can see there's a bit of darkness in there, but doesn't matter. Oh, it doesn't feel too heavy off the bat at all. Doesn't feel too heavy at all. Looks really good. I can just show you guys what it looks like right down there. Let me take this away so you guys can have a look at what it looks like. See the covers for the ear, the cushion, very cushiony. Feels really good. It feels like what it would feel like on a Beats. Oh, sorry, not a Beats. A Bose headphones. And there you've got your micro USB, and you've also got your aux port as well that you can put it in there. Pretty nice, pretty smooth as well. I'm guessing these are for the modes as well. that you can have. So, you know, it looks pretty impressive. So it feels really good. It feels like quality material. It feels really good. There's some headphones that when you get, they feel, cheap. They feel, not plastic. It just feels very, very loose, and you can sort of hear a lot of sounds. Whereas this feels like it's made of a lot of quality material as well. Then, guys, we've got the micro USB cable right here. Micro USB, nothing more to say about that. And we've also got the aux cable here. We could just sort of take that out and try it out quickly. Put that inside, and there we go. And you could just put this, I guess if you have an iPhone, just put it into the adapter and put it in your iPhone. But yeah, that's how that works. And your micro USB again goes into this bit here as well. But that's really, in terms of the specs of not the specs, but in terms of the actual look of it, this is what it looks like. What you can see is, for me, I'm very impressed so far with the cushioning part. I really like this, how it feels. I can tell it's going to feel really, really good in the ears. I'm going to try it now, set it up on my phone. And, you can see the really good design on here with the Anker logos on there. Don't know if you guys can see. I hope you can see. But very, very impressive so far. Eager to listen to it. I'll listen to it now, connect it to my phone, put on some music, and hopefully you guys should be able to get my review on that in a second. But before I review that, guys, actually, let me just show you what the pouch looks like. And you've also got the manual. There's, the usual books and stuff, to tell you how to use it and all that. And you've got the pouch as well. Ooh, pouch feels good as well. Feels pretty premium actually. Doesn't feel cheap. Doesn't just feel like it's just an addition. It feels really, really good material. This Soundcore says on there as well. I like this. I'm not surprised because as I mentioned before, Anker do have really, really good stuff. Really good electronics, that quality as well. But let me just set it up, and I'll be back in a second to show you what I think of these. Bear with me, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back again. So, if you could see on my phone, you would see that there's Soundcore logo here. So I'm just gonna connect it now. Search for some music, play some really good music on there. And let's see what we get. So, bear with me, guys. I'm just gonna go to a good album I like. Let's start with some Kool and the Gang. You know how that goes. Some old school stuff. You know what I mean? To get some good bass in there. I'm not gonna turn on the noise cancellation yet. So let's go. Turn up the music. Let's go. Ready for this, guys? Conversation, it's going round. People talking about the girl who's come to town. Lovely lady, pretty as can be. Don't want to her name, she's just a mystery. I have seen her maybe once or twice. One thing I could say, she's very nice. She's a lady. Oh. See, guys, so first 15 minutes of it, guys, I have to say I really, really like these. Sounds good already in my ears. I think it's already on noise cancellation at the moment, so I can't really hear anything outside of that. I'll take off noise cancellation right now and see what it sounds like without it. So, as you can see here, you can see the green light here telling you that noise cancellation is on. So, I'm just going to take that off, see if that works out. Let's go. Okay, noise cancellation is off. Let's go. Okay, play. Fresh, exciting. she's fresh, fresh. Da 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 da. Ooh, I've been thinking where you walk, baby girl. I like the way you talk. You know something that I really can't hide. Heaven must have sent you to be by my side, fresh and lovely, fresh like a dream come true. I'll do anything to spend the night with you, and I'm feeling that I can stop it, babe. Particular lady, take me away. She's fresh, fresh, exciting. Okay, guys, that was standard mode. I'm gonna change it to noise cancellation mode right now and see what difference that is again. Ooh, please take him on the wall. Oh yeah, I like this. Oh yeah, I can't hear anything outside. I can hardly hear anything, guys. Yeah, this is brilliant. Doom, 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 doom. I like this, guys. This is brilliant. Let's go. Let's hear something serious. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. There you go. My gun go off. Wait, what the hell spinning? Now you're learning. Calling an attempted murder. When I come back, bust it. You try to say I'm tripping. When I get to flipping, then I start to clip it. All right, guys. No, this really does sounds really good. Do not take any mind of the songs I'm listening to. These are just my gym songs, and I like some hardcore hip hop to go into my spirit when I'm really working out and stuff. So this is why I play the songs. I just want to see what it sounds like as well. I have quite a few headphones, so I just wanted to try this new one because I like Anker products. So I wanted to try this as well to add to my collection. I definitely want to try these out for longer, see how it is. I want to try the bass modes and the different modes it has as well, and hopefully I should come out with something. But this is the review for the Anker Soundcore Live Q20, guys. It's just an unboxing video to try to get you guys to see what it looks like. I'm definitely impressed with it. So I don't really see much of a difference with some of the headphones I have in terms of the expensive ones I have, which I will do a comparison later on as well. But for me, these are already very impressive in my head, and I would definitely recommend these. $51.99, guys. It is what it is, guys. But yeah, I'll check it out. See what the phone calls is like. Look, see what everything else, and I'll bring a very, very good review shortly, guys. Anyway, guys, it's your boy Rob Tech Help here. Like, comment, subscribe if you're interested in these headphones. You know the vibes on Amazon. $51.99, guys. It's Rob Tech Help here. I'm out. Let's go. Peace.